Welcome back, guys. Western Sharpies RC. Thanks for joining me for this part 2 video on my 3D printed ship build. Thought I'd stop, make a video and show you where I'm at with this thing. So as you can see, I've glued all the pieces of the hull together and I've given it a quick sand. And I made the decision to not RC this thing. As much as I know a lot of people wanted to see this thing in the water, as did I. There's just so much to RCing a boat, especially something that's just a scratch build, that I don't know and not really confident enough to do. So not to say that it's not a great design should you choose to want to print something and RC it. This is a great ship. Everything's there for the most part that I know of, but I just don't have enough experience with RC ships and all that. And I don't want to ruin anything. So now that it's just going to be a static model, there's a lot less to worry about, like obviously keeping the water out. So as far as the inside, I didn't have to stick dowels through all the little spots there for strength. I just put a few in just to line up the pieces, and I've just CA glued it. So, but if I were to RC this, obviously this would all be, you know, fiberglassed and sealed up real good. And like I said, everything as far as I know is there should you choose to RC this thing. There's the spot for the rudder, and there's the hole there for the propeller and the drive line and all that, but I'm not going down that road. So so it's a lot easier now to just paint up and not worry about it being in the water and taking on water and bashing into things. So I can give it a little more detail and add little intricate bits to it. So I've started to print some of the pieces as well. I had to design a few things, and I just want to include this footage if you're thinking of building something yourself. And like some of these things here I just designed myself. So if you're interested, I'm happy to share the files so that you can print yourself. Just send me a message on my Facebook page, or just leave a comment down below. But little things like this here I just designed. I couldn't find anything that looked good on eBay, so I just designed my own little life preserver things and some doors. I'm sure there'll be a whole bunch of other things that are going to need designing. But anyway, this is what it looks like. All glued together. It went together real nice. Everything lines up great. There are a few spots where it's not quite lined up, and it's not because there's a problem with the file, just for whatever reasons, I guess human error. But with a bit of filler and paint and all that, I think it'll all finish off nice and smooth, and you won't see where the lines are in the sections. So there it is. It's a beautiful looking hull. So anyway, I'm gonna hit it with a few coats of primer, and we'll have a look at it.